Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark their support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Jan 31st, Tuesday. At 7 p.m. we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we don't have any high impact news for any of the major currency pairs. Let us look at the price action. I am in weekly time frame now, and previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend. And after reaching the resistance level of 1948, we have noticed a price action to start moving on the sideways momentum. We have also noticed a price action to form a red color candle, which shows the weakness of the bullish trend, but the bearish trend reversal has not started yet in the weekly time frame also. When we look at the overall price action, the body has not broken the support level of 1918, which was a previous candle's high, and it is on a sideways price action, which means that it could be consolidating to start its bullish trend, or it needs enough momentum to break this support level of 1918 in order to start its bearish side trend reversal. When we look at the past price action also, we have noticed a price action to make a similar consolidation, then to continue its bullish trend, where it was also trading at the very strong resistance zone from the left hand side. After breaking this resistance zone, we have noticed it to continue its bullish trend. Currently also we are noticing the price action to test a very strong resistance zone, which it has to break in order to continue its bullish trend. So wait for it to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side, or wait for it to break this support zone in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. In daily time frame, we already know that previously the price action was trading within a bullish channel pattern, where this line had acted as a support line and the resistance line for the current price action. And currently we are noticing the current price action to take support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. So in daily time frame also, for now the bearish side trend reversal has not started. The price action is still trading within this bullish channel pattern. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, and it is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. Now the price action has taken support on this bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. Wait for it to give a proper breakout, which means a candle has to close below this bullish channel pattern support line. And also we have a very strong support level from the weekly time, which it has to breach in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. For now we don't have the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1917 and resistance level of 1923. And if the price action takes support on this bullish channel pattern support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1929, 1938 and 1949. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1917, next level of support is going to be around 1909 and 1997. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to test the daily time frame trend line or a support line, Once the price action breaks this support line and also the weekly time frame support level of 1917, it will be the confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation in hourly time frame also. And when we look at the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line, and based on this resistance line, it is in a bearish trend. We have noticed the price action to test this resistance line, but the bullishness was weak, and we have noticed the price action to take a bearish side trend reversal, and currently it is testing the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to make the decision on directional trades. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1923 and support level of 1920. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1920, next level of support is going to be around 1916. And if the price action takes support on this support level of 1920 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1923, 1925, 1926, 1929, 1933, 1937 and 1943. It will be the bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, after testing the resistance line from the hourly time frame, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side, but it didn't have enough bullishness to break the previous high, and again we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, which is currently acting as a support for the current price action. Once this support level is broken, we can expect the previous bearish trend to continue, and also it will be giving the breakout from this consolidation from the hourly time frame. And for now the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bearish trend, as long as it is trading below this trend line or the resistance line. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1921 and resistance level of 1922. Once the support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1919, 1916 and 1912. And if the price action takes support on this support level of 1921 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1923, 1924, 1926 and 1930. And as long as the price action is trading below this black color resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Wait for it to break this resistance line if you want to take trades on the bullish side. Again we have the next level of resistance from the hourly time frame, which it has to break in order to get the confirmation on the start of the bullish trend in hourly time frame and also in the 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. The values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend. It had made a double top pattern testing this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame twice, and it made a bearish side trend reversal. Bullish channel pattern support line is acting as a support line for the current price action in 15 minutes time frame also. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to enter into the directional trade in 15 minutes time frame also. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1923 and support level of 1920. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1923, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1924, 1925, 1923, 1924, 1929 and 1930. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1920, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start. Please refer the higher time frame support levels for the targets on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.